Today we are going to cook something really fun for you that's perfect for Florida Keys living. We took it right out of the pages of a Better Homes and Gardens magazine, and we're going to start off with a Mexican street corn pasta salad. Got it. Super delicious, and then a citrus mint honey spritz. Gonna be really refreshing. So take it away, Sam. Show us how to do this.
I'm going to start by having Jacine sesame, some lime, and some garlic right into this bowl.
And do.
And we're going to start with our dressing, which is going to be some mayo. So it's equal parts mayo and sour cream. We got that garlic. I like to use the microplane. And good old tahini, which gives you that Mexican street corn flavor. And I'm going to say about a tablespoon, but you can kind of go to taste. And we're going to do a tiny little splash. I have a chili olive oil. All right, just a juice of a lime. Yeah. So we're going to give that a quick mix. And we're going to add, we cooked off some rotini pasta.
You can use any kind that you like.
Any kind you like. Some diced jalapeno. I took the seeds out because not everybody likes it as spicy as I do. And this is cotija cheese. And we're gonna,
That stuff's so good.
It is so
I
good.
love Mexican street corn and I love pasta salad, so I'm pretty excited about this whole
best
thing.
of both worlds, right?
Yeah.
All right, and we're gonna save some to sprinkle on top after we get it all in. Also, some corn. You can use fresh or frozen. And just save a tiny bit of that cilantro, if you don't mind, because we'll put some on top too.
Got it.
Looks good. And then we're just gonna toss it all together.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be good.
Yes, it is.
This is a mint citrus honey spritzer. It sounds so refreshing. It'll tie your tongue.
There you go. Or you can have it as a mocktail or a cocktail.
Yeah. We're gonna start with some mint.
Some honey.
I don't know how much of these, but I'm just tossing a whole bunch in there.
Right.
Till it looks
Beautiful.
beautiful.
Citrusy enough.
Citrusy enough. For now, take a little Publix Club soda. That looks good. Stay tuned for a tour of this gorgeous home while we enjoy these delicious snacks.
Like you found me too. You say I know something special when I see it. I hope you meant me. 'Cause life changes its hand, things don't go as planned. Oh, what a discovery. It's almost too good, I want it to be true. Someone like you only comes once in a blue moon. So maybe the stars aligned, and it was finally time I found you.
And that's a wrap. Thanks so much for joining us. We had so much fun today. We look forward to having you join us again at our next Page to Plate experience.
Crazy
Cheers.
how we